Welcome. My name is Jordan Wines. I'm the front-end engineering manager at Winonix, and this is JAWS Bytes, where we outline the different issues that can cause your job to go on hold, costing you lead time and money, and how to prevent them. So what is copper thieving? Copper thieving is the addition of non-functional copper to external and internal layers. External copper thieving is used to balance plating distribution. Without it, isolated circuitry and isolated through holes are going to plate quicker than the rest of the panel. When this happens, it can lead to undersized holes or ununiform trace width. Adding the copper thieving in is going to help balance that distribution and ensure even copper distribution across the entire surface of the panel, which leads to correct hole sizes as well as correct line widths after etch. Now, internal copper thieving is used for a different purpose. It's more common on heavy copper weight designs where internal layers have portions of the board missing copper entirely. This is going to lead to a low pressure area in one area of the board, which can cause lamination voids, and on top of that, thickness variations across the board. In some instances, you can have an under-thick board and an over-thick board in the same design. So adding internal copper thieving is going to help maintain an overall board thickness that is uniform. Now, how do you address this so you don't have your job get placed on hold when it reaches manufacturing? On your procurement documentation, preferably the drawing, outline whether copper thieving is allowed or not. If it is allowed, state the minimum distance you want to maintain that non-functional copper from existing circuitry. A typical value is about 100 mils, but that can be adjusted based on your design needs. That's one tip for how to prevent your job from being placed on hold. For more tips like this, make sure to check out our blog, follow us on social media, or you could reach out directly to me at jawines@winonix.com. Make sure to check in next week for another JAWS Bytes.